Hi everybody, it's Miss Janelle and we are here with home crafts for you to do in your house with the DeSoto Public Library. So are you ready? Today we are going to do something really cool. We are going to make our own telescopes so we can spy on our neighbors this summer while we're stuck at home. So come on, get a little bit closer so we can see how we're going to do this. Now, what we're going to need is real simple. We're going to need 3 toilet paper rolls. You should have those around at your house. You will also need markers and strips of paper and scissors and ribbon. All right. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget tape. Yes, right here. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 1 toilet paper roll right here, and we're going to give it a little style. So I've got some strips of paper that I have cut right here, and I'm going to use my tape. I'm going to use my tape, and I'm going to give it a little bit of color. How's that? Now, that's not enough color for me. I think I'd want to give it a little bit of green also. Because I need my stuff to look really good. All right, so I've got some green, I've got some blue, maybe one last strip right here. Okay, what do you think? How's that look? Oh, you know what though? It's still looking kind of plain. And I want to make sure that Mr. Luca and Otis don't try to get to my stuff. So I'm going to put my name on it. Miss Janelle. I gotta make this. There we go. There, now it looks good. You can decorate yours however you like. In fact, yours is probably going to be a little bit better than Miss Janelle's. Now, before we move on to our next toilet paper rolls, we're going to get some string. You can use string, you can use ribbon, you can use yarn, you can use whatever you like, but you're going to get a piece about like that. What is it, about 2 feet, something like that. It doesn't have to be precise. And you're going to take it and cut it in half so you have 2 strings that are the same size. Then we are going to slip those 2 pieces inside and have them come out like this. And we're going to tape them. Remember, that's why I said that tape is real important, because that's how we're going to get this string to fit on here. And then we're going to do the same for the other side. There we go. So we have 1 tube with 2 pieces of string hanging out. Okay, we're going to put that to the side. Now we're going to take another one of our toilet paper rolls. And this is where it gets a little tricky, so if you need to ask your mom or dad for help, that's okay. And we're going to cut it and make it a little bit smaller, like that. Now, I'm going to add, you want to make sure it fits inside there. But first I'm going to, so it fits. It's a good size. So I'm going to put some tape on here, right here, a little bit here, because I want to make sure it sticks and it doesn't come apart since we cut it open. See how I got that taped up really good? Now, we're going to take one more, our last one, and we're going to cut it also. Now, here's the trick with this one. We've got to make it even smaller so that it even fits inside of this middle one. Look, Do you see how that fits in there? So that's even smaller. So then we're going to use our tape. There we go. All right, so we have our medium size, we have our small. We're going to put our small inside of our medium. Then we're going to take our big one, our very first one, and we're going to, this is the important part, we're going to slip our little strings in here and pull them out like that. Now, we're going to, how big do, it depends on how big you want your telescope to be. So I think my telescope is a good size right here. So that means I'm going to take my strings and I'm going to pull them and put some tape so that they are, it's a little tricky, I hope you can see it, right about like here. Uh-oh, oh no, my two strings. This is the tricky part. Here we go. Here. And then we're going to make the other one stretch out about right here. That's the one tricky part, is getting those strings measured to the right size. Now once you've got them measured to the right size, you can cut off the extra bits. So we're just going to cut, snip, snip, and ta-da! Now, all we're missing is some decorations on our two middle pieces. So I'm going to go back over here. I think I'm going to add a little bit of a blue strip on this one. And you know what? You can also decorate it with your colors or your markers, or add stickers to it. However you want to make it festive and look just for you. A little bit more tape. And then I think I'm going to do a little teeny bit of green at the top. Cut it so that it's the right size and wrap it around. Add some tape here. Ta-da! Now you have your own collapsible telescope. Okay. There we go. Ta-da! So when you're going out and you're spying on your neighbors, or you're looking for some birds, you know where to find them because you've got your telescope. Maybe even if you are going out for 4th of July to look at fireworks, you've got a telescope. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, and we'll see you for the next Town Crafts. Thank you.